Welcome to our latest report on the rapidly evolving world of urban mobility, where today we are witnessing a significant move from a brand that has quickly become a household name in the electric bicycle industry. For years, the urban commuting landscape has been dominated by a few legendary names, particularly the British icon Brompton, which has long held the title for the most practical and compact folding bike on the market. However, the tides are turning, and the competition is heating up as the Chinese manufacturer Engwe officially enters the ring with its most ambitious project to date. We are talking about the all-new Engwe Zip, an ultra-compact and folding e-bike that has been specifically engineered to challenge the status quo and provide a high-tech alternative to the traditional folding bike giants. This is not just another budget e-bike from a mass producer, but a carefully crafted piece of industrial design that signals Engwe's transition into a more premium and design-focused segment of the market. As city centers around the globe become increasingly congested and the demand for efficient last-mile transport solutions continues to skyrocket, the arrival of the Zip could not be more timely. The first thing that catches your eye when looking at the Engwe Zip is its remarkably clean and futuristic aesthetic. Unlike many folding bikes that are a mess of hinges, wires, and exposed welds, the Zip features a sleek one-piece magnesium alloy frame. This is a crucial design choice because magnesium alloy offers an excellent strength-to-weight ratio, and the casting process allows for a seamless, flowing design that is simply not possible with traditional aluminum or steel tubing. By eliminating unsightly weld points, Engwe has created a frame that looks more like a piece of modern sculpture than a piece of transportation machinery. This minimalist approach extends to the entire bike, where the battery and motor are integrated so discreetly that an untrained observer might not even realize it is an electric vehicle. The choice of 16-inch wheels further emphasizes its compact nature, providing a perfect balance between a stable ride and a small physical footprint when folded. Under the hood, or rather inside the frame, the Engwe Zip is packed with technology designed to make the urban commute as effortless as possible.
It is powered by a 250-watt hub motor, which is the legal limit for many European and international markets, ensuring that this bike can be used freely on city streets without the need for specialized licensing. However, the real secret sauce in the Zip's performance is the inclusion of a high-precision torque sensor. For those unfamiliar with the terminology, a torque sensor measures exactly how much force the rider is applying to the pedals and adjusts the motor assistance accordingly. This results in a much more natural and intuitive riding experience compared to cheaper cadence sensors, which often feel like the motor is simply pushing you along. With the Zip, the power delivery is instantaneous and smooth, making starts at traffic lights and climbs up steep city bridges feel virtually effortless. Energy is provided by a 36-volt 7-amp-hour battery, which is neatly tucked away to maintain the bike's clean lines. While this might seem like a modest capacity compared to some of the heavy-duty, long-range e-bikes we see today, it is perfectly suited for the urban mission of the Zip. Engwe claims a range of up to 45 kilometers, or roughly 28 miles, on a single charge, which is more than enough for the vast majority of daily commutes and last-mile journeys from the train station to the office. The battery is also removable, allowing you to bring it inside for charging while leaving the bike in a hallway or garage. This level of practicality is exactly what urban dwellers are looking for in a modern e-bike. Of course, the defining feature of any folding bike is how well it actually folds, and this is where the Engwe Zip truly shines. Engwe has developed a multi-stage folding mechanism that allows the bike to shrink down into a tiny package in just a matter of seconds. When folded, the Zip is small enough to fit under a desk, into a crowded subway car, or inside the trunk of even the smallest city car. Weighing in at approximately 16.5 kilograms or 36 pounds, it is light enough for most people to carry up a flight of stairs or lift into a luggage rack. This portability is the key to its success because it removes the fear of bike theft by allowing the owner to keep the vehicle with them at all times. It is a true multimodal transport solution that bridges the gap between different forms of public and private transit. Safety and ride quality have not been overlooked in the quest for compactness.
Despite its small wheels, the Zip features mechanical or hydraulic disc brakes depending on the specific trim level, providing reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. The integrated lighting system ensures that the rider is visible to other road users during early morning or late night rides, while the digital display on the handlebars provides all the essential information, such as speed, battery level, and assistance mode at a glance. The ergonomics are also surprisingly good for a bike of this size, with an adjustable seat post and handlebars that allow it to accommodate riders of various heights comfortably. The launch of the Zip represents a strategic shift for Engwe as a brand. For years, they have been known for producing powerful and affordable fat tire e-bikes that are great for trails, but perhaps too bulky for the city. With the Zip, they are demonstrating that they can compete on design, engineering, and build quality as well. By targeting the premium folding bike market, they are going head-to-head with established legends and offering a compelling value proposition that includes integrated electric power as standard rather than as an expensive add-on. While a Brompton electric remains a high-end prestige item, the Engwe Zip is positioned as a more accessible and technologically advanced alternative for the modern professional. As we look at the broader implications for the automotive and transport industries, vehicles like the Engwe Zip are a reminder that the future of mobility is not just about electric cars, but about a diverse ecosystem of small, efficient, and connected devices. The Zip is a perfect example of how innovation can solve the specific problems of urban living. It offers a way to bypass traffic, reduce carbon footprints, and make the daily grind a little more enjoyable. Whether you are a dedicated cyclist or someone just looking for a better way to get to work, the Zip offers a package that is hard to ignore. It is a wild overachiever in a tiny frame, and it proves that great things really do come in small packages. As we conclude our look at the all-new Engwe Zip, it is clear that the competition in the folding e-bike space has never been more intense. Engwe has delivered a machine that is rugged, capable, and surprisingly sophisticated. By focusing on materials like magnesium alloy and incorporating a torque sensor, they have created a bike that feels premium and performs beautifully.
We expect to see many of these zipping through city streets in the coming months, as they offer a perfect blend of style and substance. If you have been waiting for a reason to ditch the car and embrace the e-bike revolution, the Zip might just be the vehicle that changes your mind. It is a bold move from Engwe, and one that is sure to shake up the market for years to come.